Esto es una prueba en español.
Audio Jungle.
Guten Tag.
Hola.
Jay, help me out of here, please! What will the ice cream maker want from me?
Hi, we are a great team. Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz? That's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone. I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? Are we not friends anymore? No way. You and I are not friends anymore. Looks like you didn't do very well. Next time, be sure to keep me in mind. Remember that I am the bravest of the four. You don't understand me. Well, yes. What can I do for you? Better another day. Yeah, let's go.
Rod, do you live here? Rod, are you at home? You have to go back to her. You still don't understand, please. You have to come back. All this has an explanation, Rod. Rod! Well, in that case, I'll leave this to you. It has been written by your own mother.
No! Ah! Jay, it's you? What happened the other day? How do you think of jumping with a van running? You are a brute. Get out of here! How? So that was what Charlie wanted to tell me? Where is he? I mean, is he okay? What? Don't talk to me anymore. I'm gonna faint. Yes, in the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops. Are the others okay? Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years. Oh, it is so nice. We have to do something. Sorry, don't count on it. Okay, I'll follow you. We have come home. All together.
Hey, ¿qué pedo contigo, hombrecito? Why are you making so much noise? I don't know what that weird man and you are playing. You know I see you on the cameras, ¿verdad? Do you want me to call the police? No manches, güey. The truth is that I hate my job. I could be somewhere more bonito. Break everything you want, hombrecito. Let's see if this way, with a little luck, I get fired. Vuelve pronto. Oh, bad luck, hombrecito. Hey, hombrecito, let's make a deal. If you manage to go through all the cameras in record time, I will give you a prize. Don't judge me. I need some entertainment. When you are ready, come here and speak with me again. ¡Qué padre! Oh, it was a great race. There you have your gift. A perfect gift for an hombrecito of your age. ¿Preparados? ¿Listos? Yeah! You need something more rápido.
Hey, you! Huh? No, you're No, I know it's you. I saw her in the trunk of your dirty van. And if you don't release it, I'm gonna fry your brain with this shotgun that I made myself. What's happening to me? What is this? No! What have you done? Oh, that's very tasty ice cream. I don't know why you did this, but I'm gonna exterminate you anyway. Yes! Yes! Oh, thank you. Yes, you! I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Oh, my eyes fool me, I'm sure.
Is he healthy? I don't understand. How is this possible?
Oh my God.
Oh, look at him.
No, it can't be.
Is this true? How could this be? This baby seems to have been born. I don't understand.
So it's true. It is a miracle. A miracle.
I gotcha. They fall for the same trick every time. Do you really think I know who you're talking about, huh? I don't remember the names of all the children I capture, you idiot! Oh, hello, chubby boy. Now you're chump and plubby just like I like it. Hi, kids. Did you think I'm dumb, huh? We are a great team. Please. Liz, I think you're confused, boy. Open up and say, ah. Perfect landing. Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come a little closer. That's right. Where's your mommy, little boy? Would you like to try some of my delicious ice cream? Is anybody looking? Is anybody watching? Stupid boy! You have the guts to face me, huh? But you're not fat enough to be useful to me. Wait a second. There's an easy solution to that. Oh, yes. You tell me, sweet little boy.
It's over. Finally, the waiting time is over. I will finally return with my precious son. Congratulations, Rod, for your 15th birthday. Be strong. We heard about the death of Joseph Sullivan. I wish I could be with you right now, but the Lord requires me here a little more. Congratulations, Rod, for your 16th birthday. Even though I can't come to you, you can visit me whenever you want. Don't resent me for not seeing you. If you knew why I can't go see you. Congratulations, Rod, for your 17th birthday. Please, come see me. I ask you. Congratulations, Rod, for your 18th birthday. Congratulations, Rod, for your 19th birthday. For your 20th birthday. 21st birthday. 22nd birthday. 23rd birthday. 24th birthday. Congratulations, Rod, for your 25th birthday. This will be the last time I write to you. It seems that nothing I say is enough for you to come back to me. Even so, I never stop dreaming of the day you and I meet again. We have so much to talk about. I want to hug you like when you were 4 years old and you were with me. Keep the book I give you as your most precious asset, for I will reveal a secret that only Joseph Sullivan knew. He stole it from me, but now I give it to you. Thanks to the fact that more time has passed, I have been able to improve the formula. You are my son, and you deserve it all. I will give you the opportunity to synthesize an extraordinary chemical compound with equal force to create a sparkling sun of life or a moon full of death. Warmly, your mother who will always be with you, Sister Madeline, S.M.
Is anybody looking? Hmm? Is anybody watching? Come here, you fat little bastard! Stop your whining! Nobody cries in the ice cream van! You are disgusting! I can't put you in my ice cream! You taste like shit! I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. So sleepy. What is it? What is it, huh? I know where you live. I know where you work. Oh, my plan is going perfectly. Soon there will be no one left.